So after my second trip to AutoZone, I finally got the correct wiper blades for my Ford Bronco, 2002 Black Diamond Ford Bronco, and brought them home, and the instructions are garbage. These are the instructions right here, and as you can see right here, very simply it says just to pry it off, I guess. Actually, it doesn't say anything. It indicates that through the pictures. I took a lesson from IKEA for instructions, but they didn't do as good. So this is the Duralast Flexblade for the Bronco, and this is the Flexblade. And as you see in the picture there, all I have to do is just gently pop it off, right? Well, it doesn't do that. This is hard to do with one hand, but it doesn't just pop off. But what you got to do is, I don't know if you can see, yeah, there you can see. Those two little tabs right there, you got to pry them off with a screwdriver. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so yeah, as it shows, you should just be able to pop that off real easy, right? Nope, not so much. So here's a screwdriver. We're going to find these little tabs right there, and I'm just going to put the screwdriver in that slot and just kind of twist and pop, and then it pops right off. Now, number 4 is the one for the Bronco. Again, this is a 2002 Ford Bronco, and it should just snap on according to these awesome instructions. Yep, see, it just sort of pops right on there. This is, I don't think there's any difference in which end is which. There is an arrow right there, but it doesn't say anything in the instructions about what the arrow means. So I'm going to look on here and see if there's any arrows here. This is a wear indicator, so that if you don't know when you need new windshield wipers, you peel off this little sticker here and it'll go ahead and tell you. I'm assuming that's going to the outside of the vehicle because it would be easier to see from the side of the truck, which means this arrow here probably, geez, this light is terrible. Mike, you got to get better lighting. This arrow probably goes towards the center of the truck. So I'm going to put this on this way, and it does indeed snap right on. And then we'll go ahead and try and put it on. All right, so here is the wiper arm. I'm going to go ahead and lift that up, and then there's 2 little tabs right there, one on the back side and one on this side. Just kind of squeeze them and lever it out like that, and that's all that takes. And now this one here, yeah, that's how it fits in there. It isn't really pretty. Doesn't seem to work exactly the same as the factory one did. I have a little step ladder here, so I'm gonna get up here and see if this will just kind of swivel into place, but it doesn't look like it will. This might not fit the same way. Yeah, I think the back side goes in first on this one. Well, my little step ladder just broke. Guess I'm too fast. That's the remnants of the broken step stool, and that's the probably better idea for my fat ass step stool. Oh. All right, I'm back. So this end goes in first, and then so the back end, or the outside end, goes in first, and then it just sort of snaps into place like that. And that's actually not too hard. So that is one windshield wiper down, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other one now.